The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Almost clicked out of it. I think we're gonna keep going down. That would be clean. It will fall all the way here. Boom! Oh! Oh my god, it breaks pretty good. What it do? What it do? Good morning. Good morning. Thursday. Thursday. See what we gonna do today. I don't know what we're gonna do today. Maybe. Maybe we. I don't know. Maybe it could pop it up. We're just kind of. Yeah. We're just fucking around down here for a long time. So, I don't know. Like, I had targets marked up top what we can get to. I got targets down below that we can come to. Today is, I don't know what we're gonna do today. I thought we weren't, see. Let's see, we still got 3.5 minutes open. It is respecting a 5-minute downtrend on this so far. Hate that it does that shit. Nice drop. Very nice drop right back down into here. That was yesterday's orbit just tapped right up here and rejected the 5-minute trend down, rejecting this 1-minute trend. See if it comes sweep low now, maybe. We got 2 minutes. Right now, this is just it's still wedging out right now. So let's see what happens. I really have no clear view on which way. So we'll see. Got a minute left for the open. This might come take out this low down here. That's what it might be coming for right away. But ES is kind of holding it up right now. Ten seconds. Here we go. We gonna drop it? I want to see if we can break up here. We do have. Alright, we're starting to break up here. We still got this 5-minute spot that is trying to get up to. Plus, we got the 900 right here. Why I didn't take that. I wanted to see if we could break this. We broke it, but I didn't take it, but that's why. Just because we have a level up here that he could reject from. We just had, I don't know. I might just wait a little bit. SBX ain't doing shit. Now I start to push it down. Left a little gap up the top. There we go. Filled it. I ain't touching shit. I ain't touching nothing right now. This ain't doing nothing yet. We got a minute left on the 5. I think shit yet. I waited. Being patient. Ain't no reason to get cooked. This chat, this is going nowhere. These are big ass candles. You don't want to get caught on the wrong side of one of these. Like it's trying to push. Watch it push back up. Watch it. Watch it. Like you could attempt to buy this up, come back up. But if you're wrong, it's gonna move aggressive. It's hanging here. It can't go back up here. It's hanging. It pushes it right back down. It's trying to, but it's rejecting. If she starts to move. Took the low. SPX has room to come down some yet. This has room to come down. Yep. This has room to keep going yet. SPX is almost at my target. I can't. No way. This has still got room though. This can come all the way down. I mean, the next stop really would be 52. So yeah, right around here if it wants to keep pushing. But at the 800 level. Gonna get back into that 13. Right here would be bottom side. 814. This would be a 5-minute bottom side orb. Gonna get back in. I might just wait a little bit, yo. I do not want to get caught on the wrong side of one of these candles. Nothing for me yet. Nothing for me yet. These are some big ass candles, and they're real quick. See if it might come back down for this. Holding that 8. SPS is holding previous day low. It's holding at 8. SPS is holding previous day low. I want to take the short. Yeah, it's getting that wick. Too late now. Too late now. All I needed was like 250 on one of my accounts. Should have took that. I didn't. I want to see if we can get it down to like that 700 area would be nice, but this keeps running it right back up. I like to see it come all the way down here. This thing keeps popping back up. It's a big wick on the 5. We got 2 minutes left on this 5. If it gets above this, I'm could attempt it. Let's see if we can get over this 40 seconds. I just don't know how far I can really start to go. Yeah, it already went way too fast. That went way too fast. Couldn't even. I wanted to see the break right here. It just went right to it. So, no reason to get into it now. Once we broke right here, this is where I wanted to see it, but that fucker just went right. There's no reason for it to take it up here anymore. No reason to. Like, SPX has its opening gap way up there. 881. I don't know if this is going to keep going. So, I missed it. No reason to FOMO into it. If I would have FOMO'd into it, now I'm negative. There's just no reason. Good 5-minute close. Could keep going here. Let's see if it holds this area now. Look at that drop right back. That's why you don't FOMO into that shit. I missed my entry. I let it go. You missed the entry, just let it be. No reason to FOMO into it, because look at that. Cones popped. No reason. Yo, what up, Yashi? What's good? That's a huge candle. That's why I don't FOMO in. I said this is target for an entry to see if it can keep going. It popped through it way too fast. I didn't take it because there's no reason to FOMO into it. If I would have clicked it up here, this candle cooks me. So be patient. No reason. I haven't taken one single trade yet out of all this shit. A massive candle. That's a massive candle. We have not left the range. We have orb. Where's midline? 823. Midline. Topside orb here. How's your day going there, Yash? Shout out to YouTube. Yo, I got some Apex accounts. I'm ready to fucking YOLO to see if I can pass right away, but I want to take trades on this shit first. I can't get in on my Apex on this type of chop. Shit. I got 5 Apex ready to fucking either pass or blow. Ready for them. All these other ones, these ones are all pass. They're every single one of them. I got 5 that I got today to see. Big wicks. All this is wicks on the 5. That's massive. The 15, massive wicks. Excuse me. Massive chop. Massive truck. Starting to pop back up. I like how the 5 minutes looking to push it up. It does look good. The 5 looks good for a continuation up here. Just holding this spot. This is just a big area that it keeps holding out at. Big area. It is looking good to go up. Like these 5 minutes, this is holding it on the 5. SPX is starting to go here. I'm gonna tempt it on one. Get up there. Get up to top side. I want to see topside orb up that green line. That's where my target would be. Good, decent close, but we got to push here. There you go. Come on. Get up there. Oh, Jack Dean it again. Come on, get up there. Get up. There we go. Almost there. Come on. Get up. Get up. Damn, it's not going to do it. SPS pushed through, but NQ is not doing it. I wanted to see a tap. Come on. Get there. Get there. Come on. There we go. Got it. Got that one. We got in there. Beautiful. Beautiful. 245 times 5 on those. Beautiful. Lock that one in at least. I keep going here. Look at that wick just went taking orders out. Taking orders. Are we gonna keep it pushing here? Yep, yep. Look at that. Big gap on SPX. See if it keeps ripping this for now. It could get aggressively down, but yep, right back down. These were two areas of interest that I wanted to check from, but it got aggressive pushing through it. Just wicks up, taking orders out, taking orders, taking orders. I want to see if we can get up here now. Might keep pushing here. See what we do here. I'm liking this. Can I get into this? Target would be up here. I'm gonna stop right below that previous wick of its wick. I'm just gonna test it. I get taken out, I get taken out. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I'm gonna come test the orb. We tested right here. This might pop it back up now. Might. SPX filled its gap. $125, that's fine. I just wanted to test to see if this candle keeps pushing it, but We're holding this here so far. Do we break into it or do we hold this? Might be taking this. We can pop back up. I might try to see if I can hit a long. Might just drop it down though. Got like 30 seconds. SPS is about to have upside orb. 5 seconds on this. Yeah, there's the drop. Dumpy. I got a little dumpy. This might keep going here. It's gonna hold or it's gonna drop this. Might just hold it here. Might just hold up right here. 1 second, goes right back up. Do we hold down below here? Or do we pop right through it again? SPX is going. Um, looking decent here. It's actually looking pretty decent here. Do we go? Do we go for it? Yeah. Didn't take the high. Do we hold above orb or are we gonna drop back into it? Five is looking pretty decent. Yeah, actually starting to move now. SPS is lagging it though. Thank you. Is at its high. SPX. Not close yet. If he starts taking it. I'm gonna keep ripping here maybe. Yep. Yep. There one SPX too. Bloated. Shitty. I'm gonna come test back down here. Yeah, I should have took it. Missed it again. $73. You coming back down here? SPS is holding it down though. The only thing I don't like. SPS is holding this down. This might drop down some more. It's holding. SPS looks like it wants to drop. Yep, it's starting to drop it. See if we hold right here or not. So far, it's holding it. SPS looks like, yeah, SPS is pulling it way down here. Here comes it starting to drop it. I'm gonna hold his 900. Held the 900. I could have clicked it there, right on the 900. What I should have did, but now it might come back down. Now it might come back down. $25 seconds. No, it doesn't look real good, but it's holding at 9, but SPX does not look good. It's breaking 9. Right down. Right down. Testing orb on SPX right now. A couple seconds left. This could just dump right through real quick. If we get another red candle down here, it might just drop through. Yeah, this shit is just playing around today. Big ass candles. They lock in 250 times 5. These 5, I lost 125 on these ones, but can't get back over this. Ah, fucking. Oh, I wanted a shorted C up here and just put my stop right up above. Oh well. This looks like a 3-bar down on SPX. Just took it. Today is just a shit day. There's not really not a clean setup. They're just big candles and they're real aggressive. Choppity chop. Chop, big candle. Today is. No really like clear. I mean, clear moves, nothing to really hold on to it. These are just one candle, you out. Take a candle and get out. This just looks like it's coming right back down. And bad chat, today's just a shit day. You know, there's just really, it's a chop ass shit. We haven't really gone anywhere. Like, and just not. We have this big explosive move to come right back down. Like, we had a big move up, came down. Big move up, came down. Big move up, came right back down. These are just explosive candles. Especially on like this big ass one. Like that just wicked it. Like instantly just. So you're either already in it to catch the moves. And if you're on the wrong side, you're cooked accounts. Sticking around those 900. Test the orb there. Let's see. Let's see if we break back into it or if we're holding it right above here. And I might try a long. We can get back above this. But these are looking like shit still. About to get aggressive down, but SPS is testing, but breaking. Both are breaking. Yep. And that's where you just exit out of it. There's no holding these. Like you get a fast move, take that shit. There's no holding it. Because look at it, gave it all the way back up there. Like, you just can't hold these at all. I'm gonna fill this wick, but repopping back up. Ten seconds. SPS gonna go to midnight? I would drop NQ down pretty good. I don't know. I like to take it, but 48. The short looks pretty decent, but just keeps buying it back up, buying it back up, and then watch, it's gonna make a fast move. Like you can't trade that unless you're already in it. You can't trade it. SPS looks bearish. This might keep going, yo. This actually might keep dropping. Came back up. SPS is still bearish yet. I think he was flying. And SPS is starting to turn now. See, that's. I like the short there. Everything was pointing down. The 5, the 1, everything was pointing down in the media time. And then it does that. Like, I'm just super picky. I don't know if I even take anything for a while. Like, I tempted that one tiny little one. Hold on a second here. SPS can break through orb. I might attempt it. I want to see this next one continue, but it's not doing that. SPS is trying to stay above. I want to see it break this shit up here, and maybe I attempt it. Decent here. Couple seconds. Look at that wicket right back down though. Ah, that's terrible. Look at that. That is terrible. New candle. Can we pop this up here? I'm gonna try it. Fuck that. I'm not letting that go red. I don't give a shit. I want to see this pop up here. Come on. Get it up. 30 seconds. Keep going. Get up. Gonna do it. What do I even get out of that? Really anything, really. Look at that shit. Fuck that. Did we start the move here now or what? 15 seconds. That's where I want to see the move, but like. Yeah. I should have just held on to it. This one might keep going here. Nope, right back down. Look at that. That's fuck. Nope. Look at that. Look at that. That's why you. That's wild shit. Look at that shit. Fucking today is shit. Today is shit. Today is a day a lot of people are blowing their shit. So many accounts being popped. Chee. I'm. Yo, I might not even be trading my Apexes today. Holy. I might not be trading any other of my accounts today. Because this is shit. This is some shit. I was down that long. It stopped me out in green a little bit. Excuse me, like 35 bucks, 40 bucks, some shit like that. It stopped me out at, and then this candle just flushed. Like, holy. You can't hold trades. You just can't. That's the only reason I put my stop into profit when I did. Because I know today you cannot hold a trade. You just can't. Like, you get a pump up, you take it. Like, I probably should have just took that here when it pumped up here. I was in profit on it. I would have been up, I don't know, 60, 70 bucks. Like, I should have just took it, take it out, and be done. Be done with that, you know? Like, I haven't touched any of these. Like, these are still sitting here, nothing. Nothing on that. Nothing on my funded. I haven't taken shit on shit, you know? Today is, it's just not the day. I'm green on my 25s. I ain't touching those. These ones, I'm still down $95. Damn, look at that aggressive move. This literally has gone nowhere. We are right back at the open. This is the open right here. Right back at it. We have moved absolutely nowhere. We came down, chopped. Came up, chopped. I'm right back to the open. But like, yeah, like we made a move. We chopped this around. Came up, kind of chopped here. Came up, chopped around. Came up, chopped it down. Like, today's not the day. Today's not the day to fuck around and find out, you know? Look at this big move down and this pop right back up. Wild. It's going to eat this candle. This might be actually a pretty bullish move if it can eat the whole thing. Jeez Louise. Although I want to see if I can get this long coming into play right here. Couple seconds. I want to see SPX hold above. It did hold. Nope. Got to get a follow through on it now. SPX is holding it. I could test a long right here, put my stop under that 900. I should have. I should have. Should have just put it right under this here. Right under this wick that it did. Take that long up. 20 seconds. I could move it into profit right up into here. Just be fine with it. There would have took me out. Couple seconds left. I can't do it now. It's way too late now. XPS came right back into it again. Yeah. Today's just a shit day. There's not much you can do today. There's really not, unless. And I'm not willing to hold big drawdown either. No, I'm not willing to do that. Looks like it wants to break it here. $20 seconds. You could test the long, put it right underneath this, but it looks like it just wants to keep coming down. So SPX is still going. It's gonna test this daily open. Five seconds left. We got 3 minutes on the 5. We're gonna pop this back up, or are we gonna continuation down? SPX is below its daily open. This might continue down a little bit. Yeah, right back up it went. Popped it right back up. Like this. Or like a $500 move right there. From here, bam, 500. Just within an instant. Yo, what up, Tristan? What's good, bruh? What it do? Yo, I seen that Stradman was over there. Oh, shit. Man, that would have been dope. The old Stradman was in town, I seen. It looks like she wants to drop it here. It might be coming down here for all these wicks on the 5 minute. $15 seconds. My mic, there, is that better? Can you hear me a little bit better now? It might have been like too far away from me or some shit. It looks like it wants to keep coming, drop it down, but how today has been, who knows? Big candles, real fast. Can you hear me at all? Checking? Check. What's going on here? Yeah, everything's good. You can hear me or what? Everything's good on my end. Everything's showing just fine. I don't know, bud. I don't know, man. All right, we working? We Gucci? All right, cool. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I seen Stradman was in town the other day. Man, him and DDE, the only two I watch on YouTube. Strad, man. Yeah, I seen him. I seen him. Hell yeah. Yeah, I was watching the video too. I seen like you posted and shit about it. And I watched the video that day. I'm like, oh, it must have been there right before Valentine's Day because I know you guys don't like post the pictures up the same exact day that they come and get the car, but man, that long is going now. Man, she's cooking it up. But yeah, I was watching this video. Yeah, he was saying that he's driving it all the way back and shit, and he's stopping in Chicago. I'm like, oh, he's going to the Hamilton place then. Yeah, stop at the Hamilton collection. He wasn't there, but they just made a little quick little video inside his place. It looks like we're starting to get aggressive. All right, you're gonna take this out. We still got 5 seconds. I can't take it right now. Yeah, I'm up on 5 of my accounts right now. These five right now, I'm down $100, but I haven't really taken anything because it's been a shit day today. There's no clear moves, no nothing. Today is just I haven't traded much at all today. Sitting on my hands, man. Being disciplined. Like I want to take this move up here. It looks decent here. It looks like it wants to take it, but how today has been, who knows? We haven't gone anywhere. We're sitting right where we started the day. It looks good for the continuation up here. It she starts to move. This might go for the high. This might start going for the high now. Like I had 5 other accounts I wanted to do today, but I wanted to fuck around. I wanted to go in heavy. I either blow them or pass them, but they're cheap, so I didn't care. Yeah, yeah. I know it was Tuesday. Tuesday we put in 7K on one of my accounts, put in another 1,500 on the other one, and then was 1,500 the day before that also on those. Yeah, this looks like take out the high. What is your buddy trade on? He's got 5 accounts. I could probably name some off that only have 5 accounts that'll let you trade on 5. Probably trades one of them. Not many firms allow you to trade with 5. I'm on 5 on these. But it's right back down. I wanted to see if we could take the highs out. Oh, right back down. SPX still has not closed the overnight gap. Got close to filling it, but did not. Oh, appreciate it, man. Thank you. Yeah, I'd love to talk to him. See what he trades on and shit. What his style is. How long has he been trading for? Do you know? Go lay down. Outside buffers. Yeah, today is they're big candles, but they're real fast, and you can't hold anything. Like you got green, you got to take that shit. Yeah, New York started the open right here. This is the daily open for New York. We have gone nowheres the whole morning. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, last year is when I left my truck driving job to do this full time. Love it. Absolutely love it. Like I was getting paid 36 an hour at that job too. What's up, Logan? What's good? Gave that up to do trading. Best decision ever. Like I was profitable before I left. I didn't just leave to try trading. I've been doing it for 4 years now. So I knew I was profitable already. Hell yeah, that's fuck yeah, it's choppy as shit. I took one trade on my 25Ks. I'm up 250 on those. Done with those. This one I took one trade down 95. I haven't taken shit since. What do you firm you trade on there, Logan? And just understand you had 5 accounts. Oh, Trump's talking. Yeah, that explains this fucking bullshit all morning long. That explains it. Kind of had a feeling today was gonna be just a shit ass day. Like I had targets marked up, but like even like pre-market, this was chopping around, doing absolutely nothing. Like yeah, today's probably gonna be a shit ass day. Top step, TPT. I feel you. TPT on that daily. I love that shit. Yeah, I got a TPT. I did have top set. I haven't gotten top set back yet. So week suck. Today is the only shit day for me. Like I haven't really taken anything today. There's just really nothing to take. But the rest of the week, the beginning of the week, banged out trades. Banged them out. Easy. Easy trades. Took out, what is today? Thursday? Tuesday I took out 8,500 on the day. So I mean, Top Step. Only thing I like about Top Step is their trading platform. They have lots of issues with it, but I like how it's like Trading View, you know. That's the only reason I like Top Step. Like Top Step, I can mark out my TP, my stop loss if I wanted. And I know exactly how much I'm going to lose. Like Tradeovate, you got to know prices. Like I know prices, but I'd rather just trade. You know what I'm saying? Lucid, yeah, Lucid. That's what these are right now. This is my Lucid accounts on these ones. So I use Lucid, TPT. I haven't got my Top Step back yet. I want to. Maybe next week I'll get 5 Top Step back. But Blue Sky, I like Blue Sky. I've taken a lot of money from Blue Sky. Those are daily also. They get paid out same day. Love Blue Sky. You're gonna have 3 accounts with them. So that's the only like kind of downfall. But Blue Sky Trader, hell yeah, love them. Never did me wrong. FFF took a 7K payout Tuesday on FFF. Like FFF, they want me to go live with FFF again, but yeah, Blue Sky, check them out. Blue Sky Trading. I can give you a link too. Hit me up on Facebook. I can send you a link for them. Yeah, Blue Sky, amazing. Great support too. I've talked to the CEO twice now. I had 2 issues that I talked to the CEO. Tuesday, actually, I put a payout in for 1,500, and they were saying support. They get to me right away. Neil is who I mostly talk to on support. Awesome dude. Helps me instantly, just right away. Gets shit done. Like, hey, I don't see your payout in here. So you got to have it in before 10 o'clock. And you get paid usually in the afternoon, 3, 5 o'clock, somewhere around there. If you have it in by 10 in the morning. So those I usually trade first, knock some profits out on those, put my payout request in, and I have it within a couple hours. But they were saying, hey, we don't see your payout in here. I'm like, oh, well, I was on stream when I put it in, so I got video proof. Here it is. The next thing I know, this other dude steps in. I'm assuming it's the CEO. His name is Rich. I believe it was the same dude I talked to a while back. He's like, hey, working on your payout right now. He sent me a screenshot of him sending me the money and everything. I got paid instantly. I've never had that happen before. Usually it takes a few hours or so to get paid. Paid me instantly. And that payout doesn't even show up on my dashboard or nothing. So he had power. Yeah, Blue Sky Trader. Awesome. Awesome firm. Love them. I also trade Up Profit. That's a new one I'm trading is Up Profit or U Profit. Not Up. U Profit. I'm testing those ones out. Trade Day. Trade Day is another really good one. Those are 3 accounts. Those are daily also. But yeah, Trade Day. I love Trade Day also. Only thing I don't like about TPT is really it's like Apex. I have Apex also. That's one I was going to trade. It's my Apex. I have 5 brand new ones and I wanted to trade today. I was going to go in heavy just to see if I can pass because they're only $20 right now. I don't give a shit. $20. Like I spent $100 to get 5 of them. I was going to do one at a time. Just do max cons. Some foreign language. Yeah, so I have Tradeify. You heard of Tradeify? Those are daily also. 5 of them. They capped out at 1,000 a day each. So you can take out 5,000 a day. Never have issue with those either. Tradeify. If you haven't tested Tradeify, I recommend Tradeify. Awesome ass firm. Went live with them. Went live with FFF. What's another one I trade? Alpha Futures. They're pretty good. Um, day trader. I haven't had. Don't have any accounts with day trader right now. They're cheap, but their activation fee is ass. It's like 130, but it's like 25 to 30 bucks for like a 25k. But you got to pay 130 to activate it. So I mean that's kind of shit. 150 bucks for a 25k. It's kind of ass. So what up, Quota? So I trade. So what I have marked out right now is orb. This green, this yellow one right down here. That's the 15-minute orb. I like orb, and then I also do fibs, and then I do a little bit of the ICT. I do like order blocks, fair value gaps, shit like that. But I watch SPX. I trade NQ. That's my style of trading. I just watch SPX and trade NQ. So like I have like daily open, Monday's high, previous 4-hour high, Asia, London. I got all that shit marked up too. Yeah, 15-minute orb is. I like 15-minute orb. I usually look at the 5-minute orb right away when the market opens, and then after the 5 minutes gone, I wait for the 15, and I'll mark that up. Lanto? No, I have not. Can't say I have. Yep. So the traders I like. Well, I was on Forex. I have a live account with Forex. Who got me into Forex is Mamba FX. Shout out to Mamba. Bomb ass trader, heavy hitter accounts on his live accounts. Heavy hitter. He got me into the Forex. Futures is I like Max and Lava. They got me into futures. They're good dudes. And been futures ever since. Besides, I still have my live account. I have that on Forex because you get more bang out of the buck for Forex. Is it that Asian dude? Is that who you talking about? Yeah, I think I know who you're talking about. It's that Asian kid, right? That's Brian. I was gonna say I know he took the largest one that was it 1 million maybe? From Apex. He was an Apex dude. Yeah, 2 million out of TPT. Must have been on the live there now. Yeah, that's boss shit right there. Yeah. Yeah, see, like, I don't know. I don't follow like a lot of those guys. Like those guys, those are holders. I'm not a day trader. I'm a scalper. So like how they trade and how I trade, totally different ways. Two opposite ways. Yeah, Apex did change some of their shit around. Yeah. Oh, Funded Futures Network. That's the one that I had my 25Ks on. They're pretty decent too. I got really no issues with them. Since they updated their trading platform, I don't have issues with them. I do like Funded Futures Network. They're pretty good either. Another one. I was trading funded ticks. I did take 10,000 out of them, and then they changed their rule for how long you can hold. You have to hold it for over a minute. I said, "Fuck you! I'm out of that firm." And then shortly after that, they went under business. They had to close their doors. I'm like, yeah, exactly. Glad I got out when I did. Took some money from them and got the fuck out. That was a sketchy. It was a sketchy firm. I knew they're like it's their sister firm from um Funding Pips or some shit like that. Yeah, Funding Pips. That's their other firm, but MFF. I like MFF too, also for their daily payout. What up, Coda? Yeah, there ain't really shit happening. I want to see if I can turn a little bit of green on this. I want to take one more trade at least. And then Coda will probably be hopping on because today there's just nothing. And I don't feel like sitting here just staring at these charts for no reason. Today is just really a no trading day. But yeah, my top firms like I recommend. This shit is going right now. Fuck, I'm way too late. I want to see if we can hold on to this orb. Maybe I take it. But knowing this, it will pop it right back up. That's the way when we've been doing today. So we'll see. If we can hold under and break maybe this 67, I might attempt it. That was just a big push down though. I'm sure it's gonna come eat some of that up. Unless we hold under here. I could attempt this here and just put my stop right above orb. SPS is still pushing. "15 seconds. This is not pushing it down how I really wanted it to. Clean break, retest, but we can't break this previous. Now it's starting to push. Need to get continuation or no? Yeah, I'm live every day. Besides Fridays. Fridays I don't. Fridays I just focus on just my trades. So I take Friday off. Fridays for me. Be a clean retest. I could just take it right here and just attempt it, but knowing today it's gonna pop it right through. So yeah, see, just like that. Yeah, Monday through Thursday, every morning. Try to be on at least 15, 20 minutes before the open. And then I'll take 5 to 10 minutes, mark my shit up live and see what I'm looking for on the open and go from there. How long you been trading? And Coda, no, I'm not. I didn't go higher rank than that. Dude, we were playing champions, man. You should have seen that wicked ass shit they're fucking doing in that. There ain't hell no, dude. There ain't no way. So like the other team's comment is like, so you're not a part of this rank, huh? How'd you queue up with this? I'm like, shit, I'm gold, motherfucker. You guys are all champions and shit, flying through the air and shit. I can't be doing all that. I played goalie a lot. I was good on D. Like they had a hard time getting past it. So I was playing good defense. I did take a couple chances and make some goals. All right, yeah, Logan, appreciate you coming in. Much love, man. Yeah, pop on in sometime. Where are you from, Logan? You from around here? Kind of holding it down here. This might drop. SPS is starting to drop it. Thank you just eats it right back up. Yep, eats it right back up. Yeah, I might have to wait till later on. Maybe power hour. I trade these accounts. There ain't shit happening right now. Yeah, well, we should hook up sometime though. Like, hit me up sometime. Let's talk about some shit. You know, it's hard to find like other traders. I mean, if you're doing this shit full time, gotta be at least profitable, right? I mean, if you're gonna quit your job to trade, you gotta be profitable. So yeah, it'd be cool. I mean, I quit my job last year too. It was stressful feeling at first, but after you get like, it took me like a month to get out of that. Like, oh, what if, you know? Like I was nervous to take trades that first like month. And like, oh shit, like I gotta get payouts. Like I was, oh yeah, I was just nervous about it. And then after that, it's like back into my game. Whatever, it is what it is. Man, we pushing through this right here too. 20 seconds. That's a early push. I like the last 15 seconds at least. All right, 5 seconds on this candle. If we can get a follow through, push through this, maybe I take. Maybe I take. There's just so much resistance. Sketchy. Isn't it a regular soccer in a couple minutes? Not the pentathon. Gonna hold his 900 area again. 15 seconds. Holding it so far. If we start to 3 bar up, I might take this long. See if I can get something out of it. Yeah, I should be on a quota. Should be good to go. I might hit this long right quick. Unless this bitch pushes without me. Or it doesn't push at all. Nope. Invalidated. Testing that 900 again. Fifteen seconds. I'm gonna chill right here. We're gonna push this bitch up. 3 bar. Good. The last 5 seconds. So I don't like taking the trades of the last couple seconds of a candle. That shit could rip it right back down. Alright, just testing that block. Testing that Asia low. We got previous 4 hour high and Monday high all right here. That's why this is such a big area of resistance for it. Resistance, support, resistance. I was trying to turn it back into support, but Couple seconds left. This might just hold it up here now. This might start to get aggressive. It'll be a clean 3-bar if it wants to push it up here. We know how, yeah, SPX does not look clean though. And Q looks decent. SPX does not look like a clean set though. And goes, and Q's starting to move. XPS is trying to catch up. Now it's still going. 10 seconds. Right back down. Not clean. Just not clean. Chop chop day. This probably won't do anything until after a while, like noon. After lunch. Some shit like that. That's when she'll probably start to move as a trend. So right now, how this doji is playing at the top here, this might short back down. Unless there's 1 minute trying to hold, 5 minutes rotating it up, so we got 3.5 minutes on it. But it's starting to push up here now. It's got a lot of resistance up top. Making a sketch. Looks like it wants to push though. Not aggressive. RSIs are pretty high. I mean, that's good. They're strong. Momentum is just dead though. At least on the one. 5 minutes trying to hold on, but hasn't even gone above the previous day. On the close of the previous day, like it's hanging right around it. Can't even get above that. Yeah, the previous day is like right around here of the close. Can't do it. Just can't do it. I wonder if we come back down for this. Oh, do I attempt a short? Or I just don't think we're going to take out the highs right now. I'm going to attempt it. Fuck it. See if we can get down the bottom side or if SPS breaks this right inside of here and key will start to move, but we'll see if we're going to hold it up or not. I want to see this push. I'd like to see it come test down into here. Come on, 25 seconds. We still got some time. I like to see the last 15 seconds make that move. All right, here we go now. Last 15 seconds. I want to see this make that move now. Come on. SPS is breaking. Come on, NQ. Get down. Push it down. Not moving. It's gonna make me want to get out of it. This could bounce it back up. All right, I'm just gonna get out. I'm green on the day on that very much, little bit, like $5, but I don't give a fuck. This was target right down here. I wanted to see this candle push it. It didn't. This one probably will, but I don't give a fuck. Today's a shit day. I'm green on them, so that's all that matters right now. I'll come back to these power hour and see if I can catch something then. But right now, this is it's shit. It's hard to trade this. So we are off tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, right? Yeah, today's Thursday. So we'll be back Monday. Monday. We'll see you all then. Appreciate you coming in. Much love. God bless, and y'all have a good weekend. Peace.